friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm happy to be doing an unboxing. Today we're going to be doing a Kurt Geiger handbag unboxing. If you like videos like these, stick with me, come on aboard the channel, hit like and subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started, let's jump right in. So I have the lovely beauty right here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this lovely bag right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap it so we can talk about this lovely beauty. So I couldn't resist this bag. Part of the reason is because you guys know I love boho. I love a boho theme. I like Southwestern and boho items. I redid my bedroom recently in a boho type style. This lovely bag is like a rattan. It's not a wicker, it's a rattan bag. So this is the Kurt Geiger Rattan Tote. And I absolutely love it, and I love catching a sale, so I couldn't resist it, you guys. And it's in a beautiful color. Now they did have this lovely beauty in pink, but for rattan, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it in the pink. I wanted a more natural color of the wicker rattan basket weave type look. So as far as the pink goes, it was a pretty bag, but I picked up this beauty in a classic black. So here it is. Ooh, she's pretty. Here it is right here. And this is the Kurt Geiger Brixton Tote. And this is what she looks like right here. Oh, she's so cute. You can see the lovely wicker. It's like a wicker rattan. It's giving me beach vibes. It's giving me summer vibes. So definitely this is going to be a nice, cute little tote. And it's not too over big. It's not too, large of a cumbersome tote. It's going to be nice and just good enough. Who knows? I may re-round and go back and get that pink one that I talked about. The hardware is so beautiful on her. And she has the classic Kurt Geiger lock right here. So she has the classic lock for Kurt Geiger right there. This is such a cute little tote. Okay, let me go ahead and unwrap the straps, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, my girls, I'm back and I've unwrapped the straps, and you can see the hardware is just like a nice smoky gunmetal color gray. It's a beautiful color hardware. It's not really silver. It's silver, but it's dark. So I think it's more like a gunmetal-y type hardware color. But the rattan is so pretty on this little tote. So nice. Now I did think about re-rounding and going back. I went online and looked at the pink one on my little break right there when I was unwrapping the straps. I'm gonna put a picture up here for you guys to see. I do think I like the pink one enough to get it. My only thing about the pink one is I like how the black one flows with the black leather straps mixed in with the hardware. The pink one, the way it looks online, the pink one looks like the bag is pink raffia rattan, but the leather is like just an untreated natural color leather. So the bag is pink, and up here, the leather strap is brown natural leather. I think they should have did the strap in the pink leather. They should have dyed the natural color and made it pink like the bag as well, just so that it didn't look kind of off. Like, when the strap is a different color like that, it makes it look like the strap has been replaced, like it wasn't the original strap. But I don't know, I'm gonna look at it again, and I'm gonna put a picture right here. You guys take a look at it and tell me what you guys think. But for right now, I'm very, very happy with this black one. Let me see, did they give me a dust bag in here? Kurt Geiger usually gives you a dust bag. Did I get a dust bag? Okay, I didn't get a dust bag, bummer, but that's okay. I just got the little information booklet, and it was stuffed. And this is the lovely interior right here. I have enough Kurt Geiger dust bags though, so not a problem. I'm just so happy to go ahead and pick up this lovely little tote. This is so, so nice. You're only going to be able to wear it as a shoulder bag or carry it down low. You can't use it crossbody because these straps don't, most of the times you can elongate a strap. This strap doesn't elongate. It has the little toggle. It just has the little toggle right there that attaches it to the bag. So you can't elongate the strap. You can only wear it as a shoulder bag or carry it down low. But it's the cutest thing ever. So thank you girls for sticking it out with me for my unboxing of my Geiger rattan tote. I love you guys. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.